अस्यन्यद् ब्रह्मणो नो वा विद्यते ब्रह्मणोऽधिकम् सेतुत्वोन्मानवत्वाच्च सम्बन्धात् भेदवत्वतः धारणात् सेतुतोन्मानम् उपास्यै भेदसङ्गति उपाद्युद्भवनाशाभ्याम् नान्यदन्यनिषेधतः
अन्वय ब्रह्मणः अन्यत् अस्ति न उ वा. Second line as it is. Setutva unmanatvacha sambandhat bhedavatvatah brahmanah adhikam vidyate. Brahmanah adhikam vidyate. Dharana setuta unmanam upastyai उपाद्युद्भवनाशाभ्याम भेद संगति अन्य निषेधः अन्यत् अन्य निषेधतः अन्यत् डाउट से ब्रह्मणः अन्यत् अस्ति न वा. Is there anything other than Brahma or no? This is the doubt. Why this doubt should come to you? Say no. Say because all these things are there. Setutva. Shruti speaks of Atma Brahma as Setu. Setu means what? Many things together. Again, other than Setu also is there. So therefore other things are there. Unmanatva. Like Chatushpat Brahma. Brahma has what? 4 padas. Means what? It has what padas also? And this will be Parichinnata. Parichinnata means other things also will be there. So Bheda. Unmanatva. Sambandha. Sata Sampannaha Bhavati. Jiva approaches. Jiva reaches. Jiva becomes one with who? Brahma. Sambandha is there. Some relation is there or not? Earlier that was not there, now it has become one. Then Bhedavatpataha. Bheda here, for example, the Purusha in Aditya, all these Shrutis will be quoted by the Bhashyakara. The Purusha in Aditya, sun, and the Purusha in Akshi, eyes, are one and the same. See, Purusha, but Bheda is there or not? In Aditya is there, and here also is there. So because of this, it says, Brahmanaha adhikam vidyate. See, adhikam here means this other thing, something other than, additional means something other than Brahma is there. Siddhanta. Sir, that word Setu should not be taken to as literally as a bundle. But how it is to be taken? It should be taken as in terms of just as the Setu, a bund is a means to cross over somewhere, so also if you gain the Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana, you get freed from samsara. It should not be literally taken in sense of an actual bund involving many other things. Therefore what? Dharana setuta. Dharana. A bund holds the water in check. It holds the water, stops the water. Like the entire Jagat is controlled by this Atma, Brahma. Therefore it is called as what? The Setu. That is Dharana Setu. Unmanam upaste. Chatushpat Brahma, etc. Unmanam means measure, parichinnata, size. Unmana is measure, parichinnata, size. Is what? Unmanam says upastyai. It is told for what? Upasana. Then Bheda Sangati, two things. Bheda and Sangati. Sangati is Sambandha. Bheda we point out, or Sambandha we point out, is because of what? Upadhehe Udbhavanashabhyam. By Upadhi Udbhava Bheda, by Upadhinasha Sangati means Sambandha. Because like Jiva becoming one with the Brahma because Upadhinasha. Otherwise it is Bheda. Nasha, Nashabhyam. So therefore it should say by Upadhi Udbhava, Upadhi Udbhava Bheda, and Upadhi Nasha Sangati Sambandha. Abhyama Bheda Sangati, you can add if you want, Bhavataha. Sangati Bhavataha. Then Anya Nishedataha, the Anya Shruti clearly negates anything other than Brahma. Therefore there is nothing other than Brahma. This is the Siddhanta. Take Sutra. Therefore this Param Ataha etc. is, make a note, Purva Paksha Sutra. It is not Siddhanta, it is Purva Paksha Sutra. Take Sutra. Param Ataha Setu Unmana Sambandha Bheda Vyapadeshebhya. Take Anvaya. Ataha Param Setu Unmana Sambandha Bheda Vyapadeshebhya. Ataha. Ataha means Asmat Brahmanaha Sakasha. Other than this Brahma. Param means Anyat Vastu. Is what? You have to add there Asti. Purapaksha. If you forget that, how come? There is something other than Brahma. Purapaksha Sutra. They say, other than Brahma, there is something is there. Automatically equation comes what? How come? Kutaha? Purapakshi gives answer. See, Setu Udmana Sambandha Veda Vyapadeshebhya. Vyapadeshebhya Kathanat, because of the statements referring to Setu. We already seen a bund means some other than bund things are there. Bund itself made up of many things. Udmana, Parichinnata, Chatushpat, Brahma. That means it is limited in nature, means something else also is there. Then Udmana, Bheda, because of Purusha in Aditya, Purusha in Akshi are one and the same, two different things. Bheda. Sambandha. Sambandha is Sata Sampannaha Bhavati. Jiva becomes one with Brahma, some relation. So all this is there because of that. What is that? Other than Brahma, something is there. This is the Purapaksha. Take caption. Purapaksha Sutra. Reasons to prove that there is other principle than Brahma. Samanyatu. Tu Samanya. Tu. Tu is Purapaksha Nirasarthaha. To refute the Purapaksha. Samanyat. Samanyat means Sadrishya. Because of some similarity. Atma is said to be Setu doesn't mean Atma is actually a thing called Setu. So that you talk of Grid, Daru, etc. afterwards. Mud and all. Mud, wood, iron bar, concrete, cement. cement, concrete, all those things. Not that way. So it says, sadrishya. Setu word is in use with respect to a bund made up of mud, wood, iron bar, like such things, cement, etc., stones, etc. But Shruti has not used the word Setu in that sense. Shruti has not used the word Setu in the sense of actual bund. Then what sense? Because of some similarity between the bund and Atma. What is the similarity? Sadrishya, that is what is called as Samanya. A bund, say, holds or stops the water flow. That is what bund job. Dams, etc. It is to stop otherwise the water gets flow. Means it regulates, controls the flow of the water. It holds the water in check, under control. So is Atma holding the Jagat and the things in the Jagat in control. It holds in check. Niyamaka. Just the bund is the Niyamaka, so is Atma the Niyamaka, not only of the Jagat and all the things, activities in the Jagat. So this is the similarity. Like say, this lion so and so. You were invited for some Lions Club meeting. Dinner was there. And you went. If real lions were there, instead of you getting the dinner, they will get the dinner. So lion doesn't mean that actually the lion with the mane and all that. Some similarity. And it's just a lion is supposed to be bored, these fellows are supposed to be bored. Whether they are bored, they are not bored. They come there for business contact. That's all. All that is there is business contact. Anyway, take whatever it may be. So now some sadrishya it is. So I may say, leave alone lines of members. They say, oh, he's a lion. Hey, that student is fire. Fire means what? Bright and brilliant like fire. Manavataha Agni. So that is like a fire, that's all. Some similarity. How fire is bright and brilliant, so is this student bright and brilliant. So also here, Setu means, say, some similarity is taken, and that is that, just as Band Setu is Jala Vyavasthapakatvam, it holds the water flow in control. So also Jagat Maryada, limitations, functions of the Jagat and the things in that is what is held in check by who? This Atma. So therefore, Setu Vyapadesha is because of Sadrishya, Samanya and not Vastutaha. Not Vastutaha means not in actual, like it is Atma is not a bund. So that is what is said. So that is how Setu is said. Buddharthaha Adavat. So the Pura Paksha's contention was there are things other than Brahma. 4 statements from the Shrutis are pointed out. Setu Vyapadesha, Udmana Vyapadesha, Sambandha Vyapadesha, Veda Vyapadesha. How Setu Vyapadesha doesn't mean duality. It doesn't mean duality was proved. Now, Udmana Vyapadesha. So that is, in Shruti, certain statements are there which speak of Pada, a limitedness of Brahma. So what they are, that is being ascertained. That doesn't mean that Brahma is limited in nature and something else also is there. Caption. Any paricheda told, paricheda means parichinnata. Any parichinnata, paricheda told about Brahma is meant for upasana. Next page, Sutra 33 end. Sthana Visheshat Prakashadivat Anvaya Prakashadivat Sthana Vishesha. So Prakashadivat Surya Prakasha, Chandra Prakasha, one or not, is only one. But by upadhis like fingers, etc., it may appear as divided. Especially, see, when a window or something, from a small beam of sunlight is coming in the room, you just put your fingers there, as if what light is divided, etc. Light is not divided, but because of upadhi, it appears as divided. Or you make a movement of that, as if light is what? Waving as such. It appears as though waves are there in the light. It is not so. It is a play of the shadow on account of what? This upadhi as such. So because of upadhi, light may appear differently, or because of different objects, the light taking to the form of the object may appear to be different. So therefore it says, yatha, so that is the sauralokali. Sauraloka means the sunlight, etc. Upadhi yoga, then what happens? It appears to be different. Now just keep the one example. What example? A beam of sunlight. So you have placed your fingers there. It appears as though divided. Now, okay, then what happened? Remove the fingers, as if what? It has become joint, sambandha. This is sambandha. Put your fingers divided, bheda. So what is now command? This sambandha has to be understood properly. See that means when you put the fingers bheda, it appears as though divided. Remove the finger, as if it has got joined. It has got this sambandha has taken place. That is what Swamapiti, Jiva gets what? United with Brahma. Actually he is always Brahma only. But due to upadhi, he appears as separated Jiva. Upadhi is gone. What happens? Is because one. That sambandha has to be understood properly. Sambandha vyapadesha. So therefore, say, when upadhi is there, bheda is there. When upadhi is removed, bheda is gone, sambandha appears to be there. So that is prakashadeva sthana vishesha. Sthana vishesha means here sthana buddhyadi upadhi vishesha. Sthana here is upadhi. Buddhyadi upadhi vishesha. So therefore, because of buddhyadi upadhi, Brahma appears to be many. Remove the upadhi, it appears as though sambandha, it has become one. So it is one. Caption. Mention of different sambandha means relation is also on account of upadhi. So mention of different sambandha and bheda you take. Bheda also. Sambandha relation, bheda division. Is also on account of what? Upadhi. Only Sutra 34 end. Is Jnananaya Mukhe Vyapadesha Dvaye. Vyapadesha statement, Kathana mention. When both Vyapadesha, what are the Sambandha Vyapadesha, Veda Veda, Mukhe Vyapadesha Sambhavati, when they can be taken primarily, Utaha tad Aupacharikam Uchyate. How do they say they are secondary in nature? Tatraha, answer is given, Upapastehe cha. So upapastehe cha. So they say, so it is quite proper to say that these two Vyapadeshas are secondary in nature. What is that? Because, for example, take the Swam Apiti, Jiva merging with this thing. Now Purva Paksha says what? When Jiva and Brahma are two separate real things. Is that how do you say secondarily? He says jiva, there cannot be a real distinction between jiva and Paramatma. So there is a between jiva and Paramatma. See, there is no real distinction at all. How? Because when you say swam apiti, here actually that is upadhi is removed and therefore it appears to be this thing. With upadhi it appeared as the separate thing and really they are not so vastavikataha. No. See, another thing, if you take vastavikataha, then what will happen? You will be contradicting with thousands of shrutis. Just to please you, if the sambandha between jiva and Paramatma as swam apiti is vastavika, then what will happen? Thousands of shrutis will be contradicted, and therefore, which of these is correct? Those shrutis which speak of identity between jiva and Paramatma are correct, already proved in the Samanvayadhikarana. So Tattva Samanvayad, etc. That being the case, it is but proper to take that jiva Paramatma sambandha is aupadika, it is aupacharika only. So that is, otherwise Shruti Sahasra Virodha. Upapatti means Sambandha mention alone is this, as Aupacharika mention alone is correct. Otherwise, it will clash with many Upanishads. Caption: Swarupa Sambandha of Jiva in Sushupti. Swarupa Sambandha of Jiva in Sushupti. Next page, Sutra 35. Ch3 adi Vyapadesha cannot prove the existence of something other than Brahma. Now, other reason is given to prove that by its own reason. But Siddhanta gives its own reason to prove that there is nothing other than Brahma. Tatha anya pratishedha. Tatha means just as Ch3 adi Vyapadesha are incapable of establishing the existence of something other than Brahma, he says, in the same manner, tatha tena prakarena, in the same manner, he says, here are other Shruti statements. So what is that? Brahma is everywhere. Everywhere means there is no place where Brahma is not there. When there is nothing other than Brahma, how can there be any possibility of something else? If everywhere Brahma is there, there is no place where Brahma is not there. How is it possible? So that means by pointing out that Brahma is everywhere, anya pratishedha, anyasya vastunaha nishedha, because the existence of something else is denied. Brahma is advitiya in nature. Caption: Shruti emphasizes that there is no other principle than Brahma. Shruti emphasizes that there is no other principle than Brahma. Up to Sutra 10. It is proved that Brahma is Advaya. The question comes, agreed. Brahma is Advaya. But how do you say that Brahma is Sarvagata, all Sarvavyapi and Sarvatma, Atma of everyone? Brahma is Advaya. But how do you say it is Sarvagata? Sarvagata means Sarvavyapi. Again, Sarvatma, Atma, I of all. How do you say it? For that, answer is given in the Sutra, Nyaya 9.6. Brahmanaha advayatve api. Even though Brahma is Advaya, Sarvagatatvam, all pervasiveness, Sarvatmatvam, Atma Swarupa of all, Katham, how is it possible? Tatraha, etc. Anena, Sarvagatatvam, Ayama Shabdadibhya, Anena, say by proving Setu Adivyapadesha should not be taken literally to that meaning to prove that means Brahma, other than something other than Brahma is there. So Mukhyataha it cannot be taken. This says something else, and therefore by Anena, by refuting existence of anything other than Brahma, by Setu Adi Vyapadesha, by that say this is Siddham. What is Siddham? Sarvagatatvam Siddham. Because there is nothing other than Brahma. Brahma alone is there, means everywhere what should be there? Brahma only is there. So that's why Sarvagatatvam. After that add Siddham. Siddham. Again, further reason. Ayama Shabdadibhya. Ayama means that is Vyapaka. There are words in the Shruti which specify Brahma is Vyapaka, Sarvagata, etc. What does it mean? All pervasive. Directly it means. So therefore, Ayama Shabda Adibhya. Adi for many Shruti statements, then Smriti statements, and Nyaya reasoning. Ayama stands for Shruti. Besides that, Smriti, and based on Nyaya, it is what proved that Brahma is Sarvagata. Caption: Brahma is Sarvagata because there is no other principle than it. Sutra 37 and